Managing business money can be overwhelming. Many business owners struggle to keep their finances in check, leading to stress and potential failure. The pain point here is the constant worry about cash flow, unexpected expenses, and financial planning. The solution lies in learning from the richest people in the world who have mastered the art of money management. In this video, you will learn how to manage your business money like the richest people in the world. Step number 1. Understanding financial literacy. Financial literacy is the foundation of managing business money effectively. Rich people invest time in understanding financial principles, which helps them make informed decisions. They know the importance of budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding financial statements. By becoming financially literate, you can gain control over your business finances and make strategic decisions that contribute to long-term success. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and apply various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. For business owners, this means understanding your income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Rich people know how to read these documents and use them to guide their business decisions. They also understand the importance of creating a budget and sticking to it. By improving your financial literacy, you can identify potential problems early, plan for the future, and make informed decisions that will help your business grow. Step number 2. Implementing a budget. Creating and adhering to a budget is a crucial practice among the world's wealthiest individuals. A budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring that you are not overspending. It also helps you allocate funds to different aspects of your business, such as marketing, operations, and savings. By having a budget, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters for your business growth. The richest people in the world use budgeting as a tool to ensure their money works for them. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed costs like rent and salaries, and variable costs like utilities and marketing. Set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. By sticking to your budget, you can ensure your business remains financially healthy and prepared for unexpected expenses. Step number 3. Investing in your business. Rich people are not afraid to invest in their businesses. They understand that to grow, they need to reinvest their profits. This could be in the form of new equipment, training for employees, or expanding their production line. By reinvesting, they can increase their business's value and create more wealth. Investing wisely in your business can help you stay competitive and adapt to changing market conditions. The wealthiest entrepreneurs continuously look for ways to improve and expand their businesses. This might involve upgrading technology, opening new locations, or diversifying their product offerings. The key is to invest in areas that will provide the highest return. For instance, investing in employee training can enhance productivity and innovation, leading to increased profits. Similarly, upgrading your equipment can improve efficiency and reduce long-term costs. By strategically investing in your business, you can build a robust foundation for sustained success. Step number 4. Diversifying income streams. Diversification is a common strategy among the rich. They don't rely on a single source of income, but create multiple streams to protect against market fluctuations and economic downturns. For business owners, this could mean expanding into new markets, offering additional products or services, or investing in other businesses. Diversifying your income streams can provide stability and increase your overall revenue. The richest people understand the importance of not putting all their eggs in one basket. For example, if you run a small business, consider adding an online store or exploring wholesale opportunities. You could also offer complementary services that cater to your existing customer base. By diversifying, you can tap into new customer segments and reduce your dependency on a single market. This approach not only enhances your financial security, but also opens up new avenues for growth and innovation. And step number 5, maintaining an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a crucial aspect of financial management. The wealthiest individuals always have a safety net to cover unexpected expenses. For businesses, an emergency fund can mean the difference between weathering a storm or closing down. It provides a cushion to manage unforeseen circumstances like economic downturns, sudden market changes, or unexpected expenses. Rich people understand that having a reserve of cash is essential for stability and peace of mind. Aim to set aside at least 3 to 6 months worth of operating expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund can cover unexpected costs like equipment repairs, temporary dips in revenue, or emergency purchases. Having an emergency fund ensures that your business can continue to function without having to resort to high-interest loans or making rash financial decisions. It provides the security needed to focus on long-term growth and innovation. As we wrap up, it's important to remember that the key to financial success lies in continuous learning and smart decision-making. The richest people in the world didn't achieve their wealth overnight. They educated themselves, made strategic decisions, and remained disciplined with their finances. By applying these principles to your business, you can build a strong financial foundation and achieve your goals. Stay committed, keep learning, and your business will flourish.